Hi! Congratulations! Kung nanonood ka ng video na ito, ibig sabihin, isa ka sa mga Pilipino na handa nang maging progressive sa buhay. Well, ilang minuto lang naman itong video na to. So in the next few minutes, you need to give your full and undivided attention because this session could be really life-changing for you. So tara, simulan na natin. Well, simple lang naman ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon. We'll talk about the why, the what, and the how of a successful business. Let's start with why. Alam nyo, maraming Pilipino nagde-decide magnegosyo or mag-business. Hindi naman dahil uso lang, pero dahil kailangan nila. At ito ang tatlong realidad ng negosyo na hindi natin pwedeng takbuhan. Una, one source of income is no longer enough. Alam nyo, sa panahon ngayon, sa hindi mapigilang pagtaas ng bilihin at hindi pagtaas ng sahod, talaga namang hindi na pwede na isa lang ang pinanggagalingan na source ng income ng isang pamilya. You really need to find ways on how to add another source of income. Pangalawa, stable job is already a myth. You know what? We are living in a generation na kahit gaano kaganda ang trabaho mo, kahit gaano ka nakatagal sa trabaho mo, ang stable job ay hindi talaga sigurado. Anytime, the company can lay you off. Anytime, a circumstance or event can happen na pwede kang mawala kung nasan ka ngayon. At pangatlo, savings will not grow on its own. Alam nyo, para sa mga magigiting at masisipag nating mga kababayan na may mga ipon, lagi nyong tandaan, yung ipon na yan, hindi yan lalago on its own. If you will just put that money on a bank account, time goes by and years goes by, inflation rate will just eat up the interest and the money that you put on your bank. Kaya naman, napaka-importanteng matutunan natin ang maraming paraan kung paano palaguin ang savings na yan. Remember, your present now will be the one who will take care of your future self. Kaya importanteng mataas at malago ang savings natin. So now, we know the whys of business. Naiintindihan natin ngayon ang mga dahilan kung bakit tayo kailangan magnegosyo. This time, pag-usapan natin ang what. What are the two things that are very, very important for you to have a successful and sustainable business? Now, para madaling tandaan, 2 C's lang ang kailangan mong alalahanin. These 2 C's are non-negotiable. Ibig sabihin, hindi sila pwedeng mawala para magkaroon ka ng isang sustainable na negosyo. Number 1 is capital and number 2 is customer. Now, pag-usapan natin muna ang capital. Alam nyo, maraming magsasabi sa inyo ng mga so-called gurus na hindi kailangan ng startup capital para magsimula ng business. But the big question is, ilan sa kanila na may ganong paniniwala ang merong sustainable and stable business today? Because the reality is, you can never put up a sustainable business nang wala kang kapital na ilalagay because capital is necessary for you to have a sustainable system. Kaya naman, dito sa business ng Ascendra International, we don't believe in hype. Hindi ka namin bibilugin para sabihin sa'yo na ang negosyo hindi kailangan ng kapital. We will tell you the reality that if you want a sustainable and successful system in a business, you need a capital. Kaya naman dito sa Ascendra, hindi mo na kailangang manghula. Hindi mo na kailangang mag-ubos ng kapital for trial and error of making a system. Dito, ginawa na namin ang solusyon at sistema para sa'yo. And just like any other business, kung meron ka ng kapital that set up the system, this time, you need the second C that is non-negotiable sa negosyo natin. And that is the customer. That customer will help you recover your capital and give you a long-term profit. To be honest, wala naman tayong makikitang mga booming or lumalagong negosyo na walang customer. Lahat ng negosyo ngayon, the more customer you have, the bigger and more sustainable your business will be. Malamang may kakilala ka na ayaw ng pagbebenta or ayaw ng nagbebenta without realizing that the foundation of any business or kahit trabaho ay selling. So, kung nahihiya tayo magbenta or maghanap ng customer, well, malayo tayo sa pagyaman. Alam nyo, kaya maraming Pilipino ang naloloko at nai-scam sa pagnenegosyo. Kasi iba, ang gusto, walang kapital, kaya hindi tumatagal yung business. Yung iba naman, may pangkapital, pero ang gusto lang, ilalagay lang yung pera at kusa ng kikita nang hindi willing matutong humanap ng tamang market and tamang customer na magpapalago ng negosyo nila. Kaya naman, kung ikaw yung tao na willing mangapital and willing matuto humanap ng tamang market and customer, well, this business is for you. So let's start to talk about the how. Paano nga ba gawin ang business na to? So first, Ascendra International is actually a startup business that is providing solutions for everyone. At para sa'yo, may solusyon din kami. Base sa mga tanong na sinagutan mo, we found the best solution for you. And for your capital, the best enrollment package para sa'yo ay ang ating Director Package, which costs 110,500 pesos. It includes 30 basic AI and 4 premium AI. Ano nga ba ang basic AI at premium AI at bakit ito mahalaga? Well, simple lang naman. Ang pangunahing dahilan ng pagtaas ng poverty line or pagdami ng mahihirap sa Pilipinas ay usually dahil sa mga gastusin sa ospital. Kapag merong mga naaaksidente or nauospital, madalas hindi alam ng pamilya kung saan kukuha ng pambayad. Kaya nauuwi sa pagkaubos ng ipon or napupunta sa pangungutang. Kaya naman may matututunan tayo sa mga first world countries. Sa mga bansang ito, may kultura sila na ang mga tao at ang mga mamamayan importante na insured. Meron silang culture na hindi lumalabas ng tahanan or ng bahay nang hindi financially protected or insured ang mga breadwinners because the government and their citizen understands na gaano ka-importante ang financial protection. Alam mo, parang fire extinguisher lang yan. Sa lahat ng gusali, required ang fire extinguisher ng Bureau of Fire. Hindi pwedeng mag-operate ang isang lugar nang wala nitong mga fire extinguisher. Hindi dahil ina-attract natin at gusto nating magkasunog. Pero ito yung mga bagay that it's better for you to have when you don't need it yet than to need it and you don't have it. Or sa Tagalog, mas mabuti nang meron ka nang hindi mo pa kailangan kaysa kailanganin mo nang wala ka. Kaya naman, para matulungan ang ating mga kababayan magkaroon ng peace of mind, ang basic AI ay mayroong 750,000 accidental death coverage, 750,000 permanent disability coverage. On top of that, it has 125,000 unprovoked murder and assault, and of course, 25,000 burial assistance coverage. At sa premium AI naman, dinoble yan ng 1.5 million, 250,000, and 50,000 pesos. And both basic AI and premium AI ay mayroong medical reimbursement of 50,000 pesos. Ito yung pinaka nagagamit sa coverage natin dahil ito yung pag may na-aksidente, kahit simpleng tapilok, nahulog, or nakagat ng aso or pusa, lahat ng gagastusin mo sa ospital, treatment, or kahit na gamot, pwede mong maklaim at maibalik ang lahat ng ginastos mo for reimbursement for a maximum of 50,000 pesos. And meron din tayong daily hospital income of 500 pesos for a maximum of 10 days. Ito naman, yung pwede mong gamitin as a coverage kapag na-confine or na-hospital ka at habang nagpapagaling or nagpapagamot, at least merong pang continuity ang pamilya pamalit doon sa income mo na hindi mo kikitain habang nagpapagaling ka. And of course, meron kayang only teleconsult 24/7, anytime, anywhere. Pwede kang tumawag sa hotline at may sasagot na nurse sa'yo para kunin ang inyong mga nararamdaman. And you can schedule a call with a medical doctor para mabigyan ka ng reseta at mapagamot natin ang inyong nararamdaman. Imagine, all of these benefits are just 3,500 pesos for basic AI and 5,000 pesos for premium AI. And covered ka na ng buong benefits na to for the whole 1 year. Talaga namang affordable and practical. Kayang-kaya ng bawat kababayan nating Pilipino. So all in all, ang lamang inventory ng Director Package mo is 132,000 pesos. Ibig sabihin, kapag na-activate natin ang lahat ng lamang inventory coverage ng package mo, you could earn around 21,500 pesos. So the question is, paano natin magagamit, may-utilize, or ma-activate ang lahat ng coverage na laman ng package ninyo? Doon papasok at pag-aaral natin yung second C ng ating business structure, and that is the customer. So kailangan nating tandaan, we have two kinds of customer. We have the warm market and we have the cold market. The warm market, ito yung mga kakilala or kaibigan mo. While the cold market, ito yung mas marami na hindi mo kakilala. So remember, itong warm market, they are already available for your business. Kaya for the next 3 months, dito tayo tututok. We will teach and guide you on how to tap the warm market. We will teach you and guide you on how to approach them, how to bring business into them, and how to add value into their lives. While doing that, we will target your cold market. Sila naman yung mas malaking market. Kaya dito, tutulungan namin kayong i-set up ang Facebook page nyo and your social media presence that we will use to capture your cold prospects. We have prepared a financial preparedness forum that is only 15 to 20 minutes long. And dito natin i-schedule ang lahat ng warm prospects mo. Ipapaliwanag natin ang value ng basic AI and premium AI so that all of your prospects and clients will be smart financially just like you. And at the end of every forum, we will be asking questions for the attendees. We will be asking them if they would like to have personal protection or maybe they want protection for the whole family. Or baka naman, may mga kakilala silang kumpanya, organization, or mga grupo na kailangan ng group coverages. And base sa mga sasagutin nila sa mga tanong natin, doon natin gagawin yung solution para sa kanila. Kapag pinili nila yung personal protection, doon natin i-activate yung mga lamang coverage ng package ninyo. And syempre yung iba, mas gusto nila ng protection not only for themselves but for their whole family. And if that is their choice, then we will offer them a bundle of 3 coverage worth only 8,500 pesos. At pag yun ang pinili nila, hindi man natin na-activate or nagamit yung mga coverage sa loob ng package mo, meron ka namang komisyon na 1,700 pesos for every bundle of 3 coverage na maa-activate at ma-offer natin. And the most exciting part is kung meron kang maisama na katulad mo mag-isip, smart in their finances. Hindi lang nila gusto ng pang-personal na proteksyon, hindi lang pang-pamilya, pero they want to be part of the mission in spreading the great news of financial protection, then guess what? We have the best solution for them. We are sure that the best solution for them is tulad ng ginawa mo. They will enroll a director package worth 110,500. And guess what? Kapag may nag-enroll ng director package to you, you get a direct commission of 22,000 pesos. So just imagine, makakuha lang tayo ng 5 clients or customers to add value into what they need in protection, bumalik na ang kapital mo. So ibig sabihin, yung inclusion na coverage na laman ng package mo, pag na-activate natin yon, direct profit mo na yon. At syempre, hindi tayo dyan titigil. We will continuously move forward and spread the great news of financial protection sa marami nating mga kababayang Pilipino. Dahil today, we have a lot of family, friends at mga kilala na hindi pa lubusang naintindihan at kailangan ng access sa financial protection. Oh, so nakita nyo na dito sa Ascendra International at sa ating financial protection solutions, hindi lang tayo basta startup. Meron tayong strategy to make sure that your business will run successfully and sustainable. So kapartner, the next move is actually yours. Alam nyo, may dalawang klase lang ng tao na nanonood ng video na ito. Yung isa is yung mga gumagawa ng paraan. At yung isang klase ay yung mga klase ng tao na gagawa na naman ng dahilan. The question is, hanggang kailan ka gagawa ng dahilan? So, I encourage you to take action. After watching this video, I encourage you to talk to your success partner na ka-share mong manood ng video na to find the best solution for you and take an action right away. Dahil dito sa Ascenda International, may ka-partner ka sa pag-asenso.